Today, I'm in the town of Hucknall, which boasts a vast array of amenities such as schools, shops, restaurants, one of my favourite being Moda, which serves fantastic Italian food.
Oh my God, looking at my squad.
And let's not forget the excellent commuting links, including the Hucknall tram station. This 4-bedroom detached property I'll be showing you around is situated in this peaceful neighbourhood and has been beautifully renovated by the current owners.
That's just how we are now.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your new home, number 77 Bolingey Way. Now, how incredible is this open plan space? This is the heart of the home. I absolutely love how the current owners opened up this space, making it perfect for entertaining and socialising. If you're someone who prefers having a separate lounge, you could even incorporate pocket-style doors here. However, this space has such a beautiful flow to it, and it's designed for modern-day living that you won't even need to.
You don't even know, but baby, that's just how we are. That's just how we are now. On up in Japan right now. I'm pushing for that moolah like a brand out now. That 808 be kicking like a penthouse now. We wanna do this shit without my friends right now. Now do let money come between us. They not even capable to feed us. Why don't we just take the stocks and go to pizza? Yeah. That way we could lean away from all the people.
Just look at this easy to maintain enclosed garden. It's the perfect space for your children and pets to roam around in. And if you have dogs, like myself, or love going for a walk, behind this gate is a secret walking path. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful home. My name is Natalie Freeman from the Avenue Estate Agents, and I cannot wait to show you around. So if you would like to arrange a viewing, contact me on the details that follow. Cheers!